V802 500 meters for Hopper's dual antenna RC bait boat. Built-in high-precision gyroscope, automatic correction of yaw, ensure stable navigation. Various battery specifications available. Usage time 2 to 6 hours. The battery compartment can accommodate to PC's 5200 mAh battery or to PC's 12,000 mAh. Support dual batteries, uninterrupted power supply, doubling the battery life. Fully sealed cabin and battery compartment. Super waterproof. Dual motor system, high-speed drive-in. Multifunction remote control. Dual gain antenna design, more stable signal transmission. Strong anti-interference capability, reaching an ultra-long remote control distance of 500 meters. Bait loading capacity, 3 kilograms. 4 hoppers are independently controlled, precise feeding. Cruise control function, easily sail at a straight line at content speed. Simple operation, time-saving and labor-saving. Support attached hook and fishing line. Accurately put hooks, improve the success rate of fishing. Hook attach design at the tail can be upgraded to fish finder version. Detect the location of fish in real time to help efficient fishing. Bright night lights at the bow. Night navigation is safer. The turn signal lights is at the tail, clearly indicating the direction of navigation. To light modes to adapt to different environmental requirements.